Yes, I am getting better in English.
Are you getting words at Hindi?
Yes, I am getting words in Hindi.
इन नहीं,
At Hindi. At Hindi.
वर्ड्स का मतलब तो बहुत बुरा होता है.
Yes sir, पर मैं हूँ हिंदी में.
Do people bother you? क्या लोग तुम्हें परेशान करते हैं?
Yes.
Do people bother you?
Yes, people bother me.
Yes, people bother
Me.
ना परेशान होना, चिढ़ाना ना, चिंतन तो बहुत है जी. Contemplating ना. Is Archana getting thinner and
Yes, Archana is as thinner and thinner.
is getting
Archana as is getting Archana as thinner and thinner. Archana is getting thinner and thinner.
is Kashish getting more and more beautiful?
No. Kashish is not getting more and more beautiful.
Is your class teacher getting more and more handsome day by day?
Yes, my class teacher is getting more and more handsome day by day.
Is Muskan getting thinner and thinner every day?
Yes, Muskan Didi is getting thinner and thinner every day.
What do you want to do today?
I wanna go today. I wanna go today study.
I wanna go for study today. Yeah, I wanna study today.
I wanna study today.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Very good morning.
How do you do?
We are fantastic. What about you?
I'm also fine. Thank you. सर आप क्वेश्चंस बोलो.
What are you doing here?
I am doing here studying and doing. हाँ.
I am doing here. Yeah, I am doing here study. Yeah, I am studying here. Yeah, I am learning English here. How things are going on?
How
How things are going on?
how things are going
Things are how things are going on? Things are going on.
better.
Repeat.
The things are going better.
Things are going on
Going on
better.
better.
देखो going on का मतलब है इस समय चल रहा है या फिर जब पास्ट में चल रहा था तो बहुत बढ़िया है. Are you becoming expert at Hindi?
No, I'm not expert at Hindi.
Are you becoming expert at
Ach-
Hindi?
I am not becoming expert at Hindi.
Is Krishna becoming more and more miser? Yeah, miser and miser.
So miser means conjure. No, Krishna is not becoming miser and miser.
More and more miser. Can you know grammar? इसको करने में तुम्हें ध्यान दिया. Is Bharti good at badminton?
Yes, Bharti is good at badminton.
What do you think? Is she also adept at cricket?
Sir, repeat करना.
Is she also adept at cricket?
Yes, she is adept at cricket. She is also adept cricket.
She is
Also
adept.
cricket.
What do you wanna be?
I wanna be engineer. An engineer.
Why do you wanna be an engineer?
Because I'm I am interested in this line.
In this line, in this stream, in this profession, in this stream, in this profession, line से ऊपर में चल जाएगा वैसे नहीं चलेगा.
ठीक है.
Is Pradeep becoming more and more curious about things? Curious मतलब जिज्ञासु. Is Pradeep becoming more and more curious?
Yes.
about things?
Yes, Pradeep is becoming more and more curious about things.
इसका मतलब क्या है कि हाँ वह
चीज़ों के प्रति
और ज़्यादा जिज्ञासु हो रहा
है.
या होता जा रहा है. मुस्कान.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Very good morning.
How do you do?
We are fantastic. What about you?
I am also fantastic and thank you.
What do you want to be?
I wanna be a doctor
What are you good at?
because
What are you good at? किस चीज में
yes,
अच्छी हो?
I am good at study.
Why do you think that you are good at study?
I repeat sir.
Why do you think that you are good at study? तुम्हें क्यों लगता है तुम पढ़ाई में अच्छी हो? Reply.
I likes study.
I like study. I like to study. Do people bother you?
Yes, people bother me.
What are you getting better at? किस चीज में तुम अच्छी होती जा रही हो? What are you getting better at?
I am getting better at speaking English.
देखो better at speaking English और English में दिक्कत है. हाँ. Is Urvashi getting fatter and fatter day by day?
No, Urvashi is not getting fatter and fatter day by day.
What is she good at? किस चीज में अच्छी है?
She is good at study.
और backbiting?
No,
Then who is good at backbiting among these girls? इन लड़कियों में backbiting में कौन अच्छी है?
I don't know.
You know but you don't want to tell me. Because she will target you. सानिया मिर्जा.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Very good morning.
How do you do?
We are fantastic. What about you?
I am also fantastic. Thank you.
Why are you here? तुम वहाँ क्यों हो?
I am here because I am here studying English.
Because I am studying. या
Because
फिर
I am
learning आएगा वैसे.
I am
Studying
learning.
का मतलब है किताब लेके बैठे हैं ना. Learning का मतलब है चीजें
पढ़
सीखना.
सीखना.
I am here because of study या फिर I am here because of
Learning. I am here because I am learning.
हाँ ये भी सही है. What is Bharti good at?
Bharti is good at badminton
Why she is good at badminton?
because she is interested badminton.
What do you think? Who is getting better and better among these days.
Repeat, sir.
Who is getting better and better among these students these days? इन दिनों उनके ध्यान में कौन बेहतर प्रदर्शन कर रहा है?
I think Urvashi is getting better and better in these days.
How can you say that she is getting better? तुम कैसे कह सकती हो कि वो अच्छा कर रही है?
I see.
I
See.
see.
मैंने देखा.
मतलब मैं देख रही हूँ.
हाँ.
Yes. What do you think about Deepika?
Deepika is getting better and better day by day.
In what field?
Speaking English.
Is she right? What do you wanna be in your life?
I wanna be a doctor.
Are you gonna work hard today?
Yes, I am gonna work hard today.
Why are you gonna work hard today?
Because today is maths test.
What about English test?
Mm,
You will not work hard in it.
कल है सर जी बता.
Who is becoming more and more intelligent?
Krishna is becoming more and more intelligent day by day.
Is weather becoming more and more worse day by day?
I am becoming
Is weather becoming worse and worse day by day? या more worse कह सकते हो? इसको करने का सबसे सही है.
I am
Is weather
अच्छा.
is weather getting worse and worse day by day? क्या मौसम दिन प्रतिदिन
Yes, weather is getting worse and worse day by day.
What do you think about Archana? What is she bad at? किस चीज में बुरी है?
I don't know. Archana is bad at Hindi.
Hindi. You are bad at speaking.
Thank you.
Divyanshi.
Hello. Good morning. Very morning. How do you do? I'm also fine, thank you.
So you said you are fine. How you can say you are fine?
सर मैं तो हमेशा ही fine. I'm also fine because
I'm always fine.
I'm always fine because I am enjoying every day.
I am enjoying every day.
Yes.
Then what are you enjoying every day?
No, sir, I don't know.
I am enjoying.
I'm
Then
enjoying.
fighting every day. चलो कोई बात नहीं. What is Archana good at?
Archana is good at speaking English. I hope.
हाँ क्या बोला अभी?
आप रिपीट करो सर क्वेश्चन.
क्या दूसरा सेंटेंस? What are you bad at?
I'm bad at maths.
What are you good at?
I'm good at English.
How can you say that you are good at English?
Because English is very easy subject and I am interested in this.
I am interested.
In this.
Tell me the subject. What that is also easy. Tell me the subject that is also easy.
Because
कौन सा सब्जेक्ट और इजी है इसके अलावा?
I hope chemistry. Chemistry is easy.
Also add easy
Easy subject.
subject. Do people bother you?
No, people is not bother me.
People is not
Bother me.
कहता है. People don't bother me.
हाँ, people don't bother me.
People don't
Bother me.
bother me. Do you bother them?
No, I'm.
I don't bother them.
I don't bother
What do
them.
you wanna be?
I wanna be a lawyer
Why do you wanna be a lawyer? You
Because-
want to be a lawyer.
because I am interested in politics.
Because I am a good liar, so I wanna be a lawyer.
No, because I am interested at politics.
Interested in.
In politics.
It means you are good at politics.
No, sir. But आगे
How
से
can you be the politician?
जी कैसे बताऊँ?
Are you good at politics?
No.
Who is good at politics?
Usha is good at politics.
कौन?
Usha.
Usha, अच्छा. Usha is very fine at politics, eh?
Yes.
You are again backbiting.
No, sir.
What do you think about Deepika?
क्या sir?
What do you think about Deepika? Is she also better at politics?
I hope yes. Yes, she
Yes,
is
she is.
better at
Also
politics. Politics.
What do you think about Krishna? Is he also better at, or is he expert at politics?
Yes, he is also better and expert in at politics.
Because सबको politician होना है. What do you think about me? Am I a good politician and I am adept at politics?
No, no.
I am not.
You are.
Sit down. तुम दोनों रहेगा चलो sit down. तो संगीत आ रहा है उसका संगीत गाना चलाओ.
Hello. Good morning. How do you do? I am also supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Thank you.
Have you prepared something or I will have to ask you questions?
I prepared something. I am fond of making friends, and I am fond of spending time with my family, and I am fond of talking with neighbors. There are. Am I audible?
You are not audible to us.
Am I audible? No. Sorry.
Please your volume. Not your voice is audible to us.
I'm trying. There are two friends living in my street. So I am going there and I asked him some questions. Why are you living together and how? One of them is a peddler and one of them is the blind. So the peddler replied me, we are living together. We have been living together for 2 years. And I asked again, you are living together, why? So the peddler replied me, and he told, we met at the railway station, and when I was descending at the stairs, I looked him and he was looking very sad, and I asked him, why are you sad? So he didn't reply. I asked again, but he didn't reply. After some time, I felt that he couldn't see everything. So
He couldn't see anything.
he couldn't see anything. So I understand he was blind. So he replied after some time. So the blind told, when I was playing with balloon by stick in my childhood, I slipped and a pen which I had in my pocket, it reflected and hurt my eye. So my financial condition is not good. So after earning some money, my father and I was going to Gandhi Eye Hospital. So when I was reached at the station, my father told me to moving fast, and I asked him. So my father replied me, "What? Nothing else." And we reached at the station. So still the train left away, and we was waiting for the next train. My father was going to the washroom, but he didn't return till now. So I am waiting. So I was waiting for him. So after some time, I felt some unusual sounds. People are running here and there. Someone told me that her father is no more. So I becoming very sad, and I came with here, and I was living together. Thank you.
Lots of grammatical mistakes. And the words mistake was I. You were not saying I. You were always saying I. I का है वो. कशिश. ये तीनों को साथ बुला लो. मैं गौरी के साथ. ना बोलोगे ना बोलोगे.
Hello. Good morning. How do you do? I am also supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Thank you.
What do you wanna be?
क्या सर?
What do you wanna be? तुम क्या बनना चाहती हो?
I wanna to be a doctor.
I wanna मैं पहले से थे. I wanna be a
Doctor.
I wanna be a.
Doctor.
What are you good at?
I am good at maths. I am good at maths.
Why are you good at maths?
I like math.
What is Archana good at?
Archana is good at backbiting.
What is Muskan good at?
Muskan is good at English speaking.
Is Divyanshi getting more and more curious? Is Divyanshi getting more and more curious?
Curious मतलब सर?
Curious. Divyanshi बहुत ज़्यादा और जानने की इच्छा रखने वाला.
Divyanshi is getting more and more curious.
What do you think? Is she really better at politics?
I think
She is
she is get really better and better politics.
better at politics.
Better at politics.
Is she becoming better and better at politics day by day? Is she becoming better and better at politics day by day?
Yes, she is getting better and better politics day by day. Day by day.
Then what is Sania Mirza getting at better? What is Sania Mirza getting at better? Sania Mirza किस चीज में बेहतर हो रही है?
Sania is getting better and better is English speaking at English.
Am I becoming thinner and thinner?
No, you are getting thinner and thin.
If we backbite you, does it matter to you? अगर हम तुम्हारे को ये करें तो फर्क पड़ेगा?
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter to me.
Me.
It doesn't matter. Bharti always talks behind your back.
Yes, Bharti is.
तुम्हारे पीठ पीछे बात करती है. Is she really a good girl or really a bad girl?
She is a bad girl.
What are you fond of?
I fond of.
What are you fond of? Fond of तो रहेगा ना. क्या है fond of का मतलब?
Shaukin.
Fond of किसको कहते हैं? What are you fond of?
I am fond of singing.
And backbiting.
नहीं, not.
You are backbiting for a long time. Standing there and backbiting. Bharti.
Hello. Good morning.
Very good morning.
How do you do?
We are fantastic. And what about you?
I am also supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
रट लावा ना सब. What are you good at?
I am good at mathematics.
What are you bad at?
I am bad at Hindi.
Are you becoming taller and taller every day?
Not. I am becoming not getting taller and taller every day.
Actually, I am
Actually, I am
getting
getting
smarter every day.
yes.
Is it a problem?
Not
Actually, I am getting smarter every day.
day.
Am I getting fatter every day?
Yes, you are you are getting fatter and fatter every day.
Is Muskan getting thinner and thinner day by day?
No, Muskan is getting not thinner and thinner every day. Getting every day.
What are you fond of?
I fond of bike riding. I am fond of bike riding.
Backbiting.
Bike riding.
Bike riding.
हाँ
Riding bike.
हाँ हाँ जो भी है.
ऐसे ना काम देगा बेटे जो भी कैसे होता है